Okay, very good. Hello all, welcome to my YouTube channel and this is Scientifically and I am Imran here. So today we are going to see about catalog item creation and how to make it in a two different way we can able to create a catalog item through a traditional method as well as a new method is called uh, which is catalog builder method. So I'll be showing that both of the methods in this today's video. Yeah. So going forward, don't waste our time. Let's dive into the video. Yeah. So this is my instance, and here, if you search catalog, you can able to see the under the catalogs under service catalog we'll be having so much which is catalog request catalogs, and this under catalog definition you can able to see the maintain catalogs, maintain category, and the maintain dynamic categories, and here it is the maintain items. So maintain item is the only thing we can able to create a catalog item. See, these are all the catalog items have been created and stored in this list, which is the backend name is sc cat underscore item dot list. Okay, so this is the backend name of maintain item, and here only we can able to create a new catalog item here. If you click the new, you can able to create. See, it's popped up, and see, this is a name we can able to give it as we can give scientifically products. You know that, right? We can give our products and services through catalog item, which is catalog, which is one thing we can able to order it, and another one is a record producer, which is we can able to create a record in the ServiceNow. So this is a catalog. What in which under catalogs you want to create a catalog item, and we are going to search it as a service. We are going to give a service. Okay, so if you're giving which is you are selling a product, and if you're selling a software, what is the thing that is a service, right? So that is a service catalog, which is we are creating which is catalog item under the service catalog. So as of now, there is no category. If otherwise, we can able to give a software what kind of a catalog item you're creating, and which is if you are giving a laptop or printer, hardware asset, or you're going to give an hardware or service kind, whatever software or whatever kind if you want, you can able to add it. So otherwise, it's not a necessary thing. So as of now, I'm just giving save. Wait, it's loading bit. Yeah, so now our catalog item has been created. See, it's showing the item details. We can give the short description here, uh, which is ID services. We can give like this, and picture, if you want to add any picture you can add it. And the process engine is what, if you ordered anything, if you done anything, which is if you give submit or request or order in this thing, it will be it should be it should be assigned to someone or some group or someone, and it should be approved, and after that it would be assigned to it should be created a new task, and that task would be assigned to someone, and that should be completed within this time frame, and after that it should be going to the next part, which is the delivery team, and these are all the stuffs have been involved, right? For this, For this, ServiceNow playing the vital role in it, which is the workflow. So we have to give a flow for it, and then only it will works in a backend, right? So if you're ordering any kind of a product, or if you're ordering iPhone, if you basically click order, you'll be choosing the color, RAM, everything, and you'll be clicking the order button. So in the backend, which is we have there in their product team has to search for a search for a inventory, and they have to get the product and deliver the product, and they have to come and hand over that product to you. So this will be handled with the workflow. This is how it works. So here, if you want to, for this explanation, let me add a new variable. What is variable? Variable is a fields in the table, like that. So what are all the fields we are creating? It will be uh, which is stored as a variable. Okay. So let me create new one. Let me save it and refresh it. Okay. So let's create a new variable. Yeah. So I'm going to create a your name, and this is the question we have to create. This is a name which is the backend name of this question. So it will be auto populated. I'm making a single line text, and the catalog item is a product, which is scientifically product, and I'm making this as a mandatory. And we can able to give an annotation which is a kind of a help for the specific field, and we can able to set a width, and we can also have a default value like type your name, like this is the default value, it will be set. And auto populate, this is the dependency questions, which is uh, this is it's about if some field has been enabled, which is some field has been choose, then it will be visible to according to the choice you have been chosen, like that it will be dependent question has been populated based on the response, like this. And the permission, we if we want to give a role for accessing this field, we can able to give it uh, what is a read role and write roles and create roles. And what is this three difference? Read roles, if we give any person, they can able to read, they can able to only read. If you give only write role, they can able to only write, they can't able to edit and create. So if you give any roles to create, so they can able to create a new field in that. So in this catalog item, not in the catalog item, no, it's in the form. Okay, like that. So availability, we used to give visible to guides, summaries, and everything. And this is a default. I'm just giving a save button here. I'm just giving a save, and see the name of the variable is coming here. So I'm going to the catalog item. These are the default thing I have explained here. See, yeah, I'll show you. In there is two things we have already discussed with service portal and employee center, right? So what are the things you have been creating here? It should be reflect here and here. So let me refresh once, and let me copy and search it here. It's not coming. Why? It should be under catalogs. Yes. Let me refresh it again. Why it's not coming? Yeah. Oh, we haven't give category yet. So we have to give what is, let's give a service. So here, let me search it, refresh it, and see, we get our first catalog item. See, type your name. This is a default value, it just has been set it here. So you can also make it as a, see, default values here. So here you can able to see that add to cart, save a draft, order now, like this three. So here we come here, if we put this, hide add to cart. We save it here. If you give it Control S, it will be saved. Let me refresh it. See, add to cart is removed. And hide quantity, hide save as draft. We don't need that. We don't need this. I don't need this. And let me save it. Let me refresh it. See, we have only order now. So here we don't need a order. Let's submit a request. Refresh it. Yeah, request. Yeah, it's updated. So here we know I don't want that the default value. So let me removing it. Okay. Yeah. Let it load first. So I don't want this, and let me control. I'm just giving a policy. Let me save it. Now let me refresh it and see, this is a mandatory field. We have made it a mandatory, and also if you can able to give active. Let me give a active S and let me save it and let's see. See, there is nothing here. So if we make it as active false, it's nothing here. So let's make it as an active true. Wait, let me give it. Let me save it here. And let me give it as. And you can ask Imran why we are searching in service portal. Let me go with into employee center. Yeah, sure. Let me go with employee center. Let copy this and go into here. Let me search and see. Now we don't get anything in here. So why? Because we have not yet set the taxonomy to it. What is taxonomy? So you come here, service portal management. This one, taxonomy. See here, employee. That is an employee center. Here we are going to technology services. See, if you come here, you can able to see this technology services. In technology services, we are going to add our we are going to add our scientific product into here. Here you can able to see that connected contents. See the catalog item, quick link, catalog item, and these are the simultaneous though. These have been added. They have been already created a new which is catalog item, and they just linking this to the linking that catalog item to the employee center. So we are going to add our new thing, and here content type is we click here and able to see the three things. We want to add a quick link or knowledge or catalog item. So we are going to add a catalog item. Here, what catalog item? Our newly created scientifically products. And I'm just saving this. Let me submit it. It will come back to the existing page. See scientifically products. If we come here and search for it, refresh once again. See IT services, what are the things we have been created? It's come in a ESC, Employee Center as well. So this is how we can able to create a new catalog item and make it this apply to which is uh, which is we can able to available in service portal as well as tax, which is um, in a employee center. So here we can all Imran, you have said we can also create in a uh, catalog builder, right? If you type catalog under the catalog services, you can able to see this catalog builder. If you click this, you can able to create catalog item using this easiest method using catalog builder. So let's wait for let it load it down. Yeah. So here you can able to see that cat dashboard, catalog items, and catalog item templates. So if you want to create from the catalog item template, you can also create with a catalog template. Otherwise, if you want to create a new catalog item template, also you can able to create it. So we are going to create from the scratch. So see, there is two things: record producer, standard. So we are going to create a standard catalog item. And in next video, I'll be showing that how to create a record producer. So here the basic thing, what we can give it as, yeah, scientifically catalog builder. Yeah, it has a short description. I'm just copy pasting this. This is not a mandatory thing, so I'm just doing it. If you want to attach anything, it will be populated as a thumbnail, um, which is inside the request, which is kind of inside this. It will be populated, and so let's me going to the location. So this is important part. In which catalog you want to add it? There is only two things, right? Catalog, service catalog, or technical catalog. So I'm just choosing one. If you want, you can also choose two. In this category, the category is more important, right? We have saw that. So here, let me choose as a hardware. Yeah, save. And here it is the important thing, which is topic. So we have two, which is you can able to see this the technology service and risk compliance, which is we have to reflect we are if we create a new created which is catalog item through a traditional method, we have to go to taxonomy, and in that taxonomy we have to choose employee. In that employee we have to choose technology services, and in the technology services we have to add a new component, right? sorry, new content to it, right? For this, for that hectic work, they have been created here as a taxonomy. See, the taxonomy has been chosen here. So this is the simplest way. Yeah, saved. Going to continue the question. Yeah, these are the question, and answer the new question. What kind of question? Let's make it as what? Yeah, make it as a text. And I make it as a multi-line text. Yeah. What is the display name? Standard. Standard. Your name. Standard text value. Not this one. Your name. Yeah, fine. That is good. For this additional questions, variable attribute, advanced option, auto populate, everything will be coming here. So what are the things have been used there? It will be populated here. So divided web automation. See, it's we can able to give see that preview of the question. I have inserted. If you want, you can able to create a new thing here, and it's diving into next, which is client script. As of now, we doesn't have anything. The order should be, or it may be request. I don't want to save add up like that. Make attachment mandatory. It's not a thing. Hide attachment button. Oh, okay. I'm just giving this of it. I'm just clicking this, and this is available for and available not for. So which is the URL you want to make this catalog item should be shown. It should be available like that. These kind of users or this kind of groups you want to show means we can able to set it here. So let me choose for any user. Yeah, and here you're not available. If you want, you can choose it. I'm just showing that, but as of now, I don't want anything. And continuing to the fulfillment, and here this is here here we have created a without flow, just process engine. It's not yet it's not mandatory here yet, but while you are creating a catalog builder, it is mandatory. So as of now, I'm just choosing this is one which is it's not a mandatory, which is it's not a biggest thing. I'll be showing how to create a flow and how to make just switch into just connecting to our catalog item later. Okay, yeah. And this is a preview of our catalog item. What are the things you have been entered here? You can able to see this. See our basic info, scientifically builder, the catalog item, which is source catalog, the categories hardware, and for this employee center, the topic is based for employee center, and the question, what are the question you have been having, client script, what are the client script you have been having, what is the client script, it will be loaded in the browser. So that will be manipulated with form. So I'll be also sharing the how to create a client strip and how to make this happen in the catalog item, and I'll be doing that for the access, which is everyone, and fulfillment, which is this flow after submitting the which is the request or order, whatever it is, what should be proceed for the next, which is that is a fulfillment method. So I'm going to submit here, return to my dashboard. So yeah, we have successfully created a scientifically built up. So we have to search it, right? Let me copy this. See, I'm just removing this. See, we have scientifically products and scientifically built up. In this employee center, let me search two things. See, you can also get it in the ESC portal as well as service portal. and the both are available now. Yeah, so let me click here in employee center. See, this is a multi-line text. I can able to give whatever thing. Hi, let me give a request here. See, requested for is auto populated. It's not given here, but we can also give the requested for here also. And yeah, just submitting this, and that this is what build up. Let me submit our own created traditional way. Let me give a test. See, if you don't have requested for, it will be this popped up here. Yeah, if you open this requested item, see the RITM has been created, and see waiting for the approval. Let me go and check the RITM for the build up. We have choose one thing which is um, we have chosen one flow, right? According to the flow, it has been triggering. So let me go down, and approval is not here. And this is the RITM, which is variable. The what are the form in that form? What are the form we have? What are the variables we have in that? We can able to see it. It's in the RITM, right? And this is there is as of now there is nothing here because we have triggered another in this one. This is for builder, right? We have to yeah, okay, builder and the products. So see, this is how it works actually for creating catalog item and which is a record producer. We have to create it a year. And so let me show the record producer in the next part. And if you have any questions, you can directly ping me. And if you have any questions related to catalog item, you can comment below. And for any questions, I'll definitely work on it, and I'll be resolving it for you. And definitely, uh, this video will be helpful for you in any way. So thank you so much for watching. Please give a thumbs up button if you like, or dislike button if you don't like. Everything is welcome for me. And for any queries, definitely give a comment for it. And let me see you in next another great video. So thank you for watching. Thank you so much. Take care. Tata. Bye bye.